Welcome back to Touring Plans TV. I'm Angela Dahlgren, and today I'm taking you on a tour of Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. Disney's All-Star Sports Resort is a value resort located in the Animal Kingdom area of Walt Disney World. It's connected to its sister and brother resort, Disney's All-Star Music and Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. Together, they comprise 30 three-story motel-style guest room buildings. And just for reference, the All-Star resorts are slightly cheaper and a little bit worse than Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. With over 1,900 rooms, Disney's All-Star Sports Resort features huge sports icons, bright football helmets, tennis rackets, and baseball bats, all taller than the buildings they adorn. Stadium Hall is the lobby building. In it, you'll find the check-in counter, concierge, arcade, gift shop, and food court, which we'll get to a little later. Rooms. A standard room is 260 square feet and sleeps 4. For a full room tour, I have a video that I'll link here. I also wanted to point out that the All-Star Resort rooms are getting refurbished, similar to the Pop Century rooms. Disney is starting with All-Star Movies, and that should be done in early 2019. Disney's All-Star Sports also has around 200 handicap-accessible rooms. Some feature rolled-in showers, others include assistive hearing devices, and a subset of these rooms have been converted to comply with Florida's accessibility code. Use our hotel room finder to see which rooms have which features. Room views. Disney categorizes all of its hotel rooms based on what you see from the inside of the room. A preferred room is close to the lobby and food court, and your view may include the pool, landscaping and trees, other buildings, or may be blocked almost completely by a giant decoration. Standard rooms are a slightly farther walk to the lobby and have generally unremarkable views of landscaping or parking lots. These are the cheapest rooms, so check out our room finder to see which rooms have these views. Pools. Disney's All-Star Sports has 2 pools. The largest, Surfboard Bay Pool, sits directly behind the Stadium Hall lobby and next to the Surf's Up buildings. The other smaller, or quiet pool, is called the Grand Slam Pool, and it's located near the Home Run Hotel section, or buildings 8 and 9. This pool area is themed like a baseball diamond and features large bats and baseballs. Dining. End Zone Food Court is set up like a food court at the mall. There are 5 different stations, each selling one set of meals. For example, one station sells pizza and pasta, another sells burgers, another is dedicated to sandwiches, and so on. Prices range from about $6 to $15 for an entree, so you won't break the bank. And the hours are from 6:30 a.m. until midnight. Grandstand Spirits Bar is located just outside of the food court and on the way to the Surfboard Bay Pool. This bar has outdoor seating and a limited drink menu. Grandstand Spirits is usually open from noon until midnight daily, with weather permitting. And finally, there's pizza delivery available to your room. Transportation. Disney provides free transportation to the parks via bus. The bus stops sit along the front wall of the Stadium Hall building between the lobby and check-in parking lot. Recreation and amenities. A small playground set is located between buildings 6 and 7. The set has 2 small plastic slides and a couple of sections with a few steps for toddlers to go up and down on. The resort gift shop is called Sport Goofy's Gifts and Sundries and sits just off of the lobby between the check-in area and the food court. Here, you'll find a decent collection of souvenirs as well as basic pharmacy items. Also located just off the lobby is Game Point Arcade, which has a decent collection of relatively recent video and arcade games. Finally, there's laundry facilities, movies under the stars, and a 1-mile-long paved jogging trail that connects the 3 All-Star resorts. This path is located at the front of Stadium Hall along Buena Vista Drive. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!